YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. Yay! So this is going to be exciting. Yes, it's always exciting for me. I've seen this on social media that everybody's talking about. I was so curious that maybe I will try and see if it works or if it's worth it or something. So I decided to go to the store, to Walmart, and check if they have this product. If you want to do some workout or exercise, maybe this could help, but we'll see. And yeah, I've seen this on YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, so let's find out if this product really works. So I went to Walmart and I found this one. I know I do have a hula hoop, but this is different from the hula hoop. It's like, when you keep on moving your body or doing the hula hoop, and if you're not good at it, then it won't work. But this one, it's a weighted hula hoop. This is different. And I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Found this one for only $29 something. So it's less than $30. I decided maybe I will just get one and try it myself. And so if you guys watching this video and haven't heard, the weighted hula hoop, you better watch this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. And if you're returning viewers or subscribers, welcome to my channel. So let's get started. Here it is. They call it weighted because there's something on the middle that you just have to, it's kind of different from the regular hula hoop. So, and here it is. So this is the one, guys. I'm so, excited because I've seen it on Facebook, and it seems like everyone, but some of the girls, I've seen it that they've been doing this kind of hula hoop. It says Weighted Fitness Hoop. It's from the, that brand. This is what it looks like over here. See that? What's included in this box is here on the back of this box here. I can't wait to try this and show you how, it works. Okay, so here it is. Let's open it. What's in the box? I'm gonna put it down so I'm gonna show you guys the pieces that's in the box. And of course, here's the paper or the manual, and here's the guide manual, that on how to assemble it. So that's that. And the next one, the one that's in the box, is this ball right here. This is 1 pound. That's what it says on the box. Of course, I like the color, and I don't know what's in here. It feels like, I don't know. The next one is this thing. My daughter, she wants me to get one of these. Some girls, using this weighted hoop. And of course, this one. Probably this one you have to stick it or put it, this thing, like a belt that put it on your, waist. Here it is, guys. There's an extra, I don't know what it is. I have 5 extras. That, in case something happens to one of them, so I just have to replace it. So that's that. I'll just put it back in the plastic. Here it is, guys. Let's take this out of the plastic. It looks like a train to me, like a toy train or something, I don't know. And there's more. So you just have to hook this together. I have 4 of this thing. Let's hook them together and see how it goes. Okay, I'll be right back, and I have to assemble this one first because I have to read the instructions on how to do it. I figured out on how to assemble this thing or how to set this up. There's one over here that's sticking out, and there's a hole right there, so we'll just have to connect it. There, it got snapped. The next one, you have to find something that, you know, there's another hole. This one right here, there's a hole. And then snap it again. It's not really hard to set up, guys. Here's the last one, this big one. There you go. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's so huge. This thing inside. This will be outside, and we'll put this one right here. See? And there you go. So I'm going to measure my waist. This part, I'm gonna take that out because that is extras. Okay, there you go. Actually, you can take this, like, if you lose some inches, you can take one of each, like that. It's easy to come off. So here's the extra, pretty long. Here it is, put it there, and at the end of this one, hook up the ball right there. There you go. And let's start. This is heavy, guys. This is really heavy. And here is the ball. It's heavy. There's a pretty good weight on that thing, on my belly. So you need a space or room that you won't hit anybody or hit your furniture or something like that. So I'm gonna try this one in the other room. I'm going to show you how I do this in the other room. Okay, there we go. This weighted hoop, the only thing that I don't like is the noise. But so far, it's just fine to me. If you have one of this at home, you can use this hula hoop outside or inside the house or wherever, you know, you feel comfortable doing this hoop. What do you think about it? You can just leave a comment down below. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.